Nothing humbles you faster than getting a flat tire 2 kilometers from home. But don't worry, in the next 5 minutes, you'll be capable of fixing it. You're going to need exactly 5 things to get you through this job. A wrench to take the wheel off, a pump to pump it up, a new tube, fix your flat, 2 tire levers, and if you don't have tire levers, just use 2 of your wife's fancy spoons. And then one more thing, a little bit of confidence, and that's it. Just pull the seat up. First thing you're going to want to do is take your wheel off. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. If you have a quick release wheel, you don't need the wrench. Congratulations, your first win. Grab your tire levers. You're going to want to hook it under the bead. Boom. Just like that. You're going to go with your second tire lever. Like that. Just work your way around. Sometimes it's super easy. Get your finger in there. Voila. That part could feel a little aggressive. Totally normal. The hole in your tube didn't come from nowhere. Sometimes it could be a piece of glass, thorn, maybe a little betrayal. Just run your finger along inside the tire. Make sure nothing's sharp. My tube, on the other hand, I know exactly how I got it. Pinch flat. Ooh, a little crispy. Pull out the new tube. Size matters. Oh. I like to add a tiny bit of air just to give it a little bit of shape. That's good. Just so it's not twisting on you. You're going to want to start with the valve in the hole. Pop the valve right through the hole, like that. Now, tuck the tube in all the way around, like a little burrito. Now we're in. This part's usually pretty easy. Start at the valve and just work your way around. Pop, boom, done. Make sure the bead is set everywhere. Now you're going to want to just pump up the tire. Pump it up. It should have your tire pressure ratings on the side of your tire in the smallest legally allowed font. Put your wheel back in. Should drop right in. Okay. The tire is centered between the frame. All right. There you go. Make sure your tire bead is seated correctly on the rim and nothing's cursed. I think we're good. Well, hopefully this made you feel capable to fix your own flat tire. And if you're still stuck on the side of the road somewhere, I believe in you. You got this.